So I want to show you how to do a decrease on your knitting machine. So this is a stitch that we're going to be decreasing. So I'm going to use my yarn needle that has a bit of a bend in it. So you want to kind of pull down, and then I like to get this around this red hump here, and then you can just kind of, oops, so pick that up over the red hump, and then get your yarn needle in there and lift it up, and then you want to lift this off of that needle. Okay, so you have that off, and then you want to place it onto the next needle over. Okay, so now that's on there. So now I'm just going to move this over so I can see. You want to get this string kind of out of the way. You want to move the loop down. So both of the loops, there's two loops on here, are over the red little teeth down at the bottom. And now you can put this back and tighten up the yarn so that the working yarn goes underneath this tooth, and then kind of spin it. Oops. When you're spinning it or turning, you want to make sure that both of the loops stay down. And there we go. So now that went through. And you just spin until that goes under. Now you can turn back. And there you go. You have one stitch decreased.